Hello friends, welcome back to Relief Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss important chapter surface area and volume. In this chapter we are going to discuss cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, all this in detail. We will find their area and we will find their volume. So before discussing, first we will start with cube. See, have you seen the cube? Generally you are familiar with the cube. Rubik cube. We used to play with the Rubik cube. That is cube. See, this is cube. We can see. This is cube. This is cube. This cube has like a, see, this is like a, you know that we used to play snake and ladder. So we have a dice. It is like a dice. So this cube has 6 faces. 1, 2, this 3 and this 4. This is 5 top and this bottom, that is 6 faces. And the 6 faces are square. They are congruent faces. All the square has equal length. Here we have only one dimension, that is length. Clear? See. So we will talk about a cube. So we can say that, first point, see, cube has 6 congruent square face. 6 faces it has. 6. See, this is 1. Clear? This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. And this bottom 6 face. So it has 6 face. 6 congruent face. Have you seen this? So cube has 6 congruent square face. 6 congruent square face. And here see, I can say this is length. See, if I draw the cube, you will come to know that cube. See, this is one face of a cube. So it has such 6 faces. How many faces it has? 6 faces. Clear? So this is one. And one more I can draw here, see. So this is cube. So this we can say length. Okay. This is also breadth. We can say length. They are equal. Okay. And this is height. Right. This is also equal. We can say L. So here in cube we can say it has 6 face, square face. Now, so cube has 6 congruent square face. And if you talk about edge, see this, how many edge it has. Here 4, this also 4, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are called edge. It has 12 edge. And corners, if we say 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4 corner, 5, 6, 7, 8 corner. So it has 8 corners. So it has 12 edge. It has 12 equal edge. 12 equal edges and 8 corners. Clear? These corners are called vertices. So we can say all the 6 faces, it is congruent square face and it has 12 equal edges and 8 corners. Clear? This is about cube. See, you can see. This is about cube. These are the edges. This is edges. This edge. 1 edge, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 edge. Bottom also 4 edge. 4, 4, 8. This is 9. This is 10. Okay. This is 11. This is 12. So it has 12 edge and 8 corners. See, this is corner 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and here we can say this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? So it has, so we can say 12 equal edges and 8 corners. Here length, breadth and height are equal. So here we can say L is equals to B is equals to H. L is equals to B is equals to H. So this is about cube. Clear? And now if we talk about the cube, see, if you want to find the total surface area of a cube, so means area of all 6 face. Now if it's a one face, see this is the face, this is one face, it has such 6 face. Okay, this is L, this is L, this is also L, this is also L. So if you want to find area, this area, so this area of a square is side square. So area of a square is L square, we can say. So area of one face is L square. So how many face it has? One face is L square. So it has 6 face. So we can say total surface area of a cube. Okay, total surface area of cube is equals to area of 6 face, that is equals to 6L square. Easy, no? Now lateral surface area of cube, LSA of cube. So lateral surface area means except top and bottom. Except this is top, this 5 number is bottom, or 6 and 5, see this. Lateral surface area means this 4, area 4 face, lateral except top and bottom, except this top and bottom. Lateral surface area means this face after this. Okay, so area 4 face, lateral. This is lateral, the whole lateral, except top and bottom, except this bottom and top, except this top and bottom, area of 4 face is called lateral surface area. So lateral surface area of a cube means area of 4 face, that is equals to 4L square. So total surface area of a cube is 6L square, lateral surface area of a cube is 4L square. Very simple. How many face cube has 6 congruent square face? So area of one face is L square. So area of 6 face is 6L square. Area of 4 face is 4L square. 4 face means this is the lateral surface area. Okay. So this is lateral surface area of a cube. Now volume of cube. Volume. So what will be the volume? Volume of any congruent solid. See, if you want to find volume, you take a room. See, this is square room. You want to find the volume. Volume means, you know, the space occupied by an object is called volume. See how much space is occupied by this. First here there was a air. If I place this cube here, the air is displaced and that space is occupied by this cube. So you want to find the area of this cube. Volume of this cube. So volume of this cube, see if I write the structure of this cube, how much space is occupied is. See, this is the space occupied by this cube. Now you want to find volume. So you will find area of base into height. Area of base into height. Why? Volume you want to find, total space occupied. This is the space, this is the area occupied by this cube. So this is L square. And you want to find height. How much height? Height is also L. Height, this height. Height is L. See this height. See, if you consider a room. This is the room. And if you want to find the air occupied in that room. So first, suppose if you fill it with water. That room completely filled with water. So if you add the water, this will be this area occupied by that water. So that is L square. And if then you have to find height. Height of the room till there, the water will be occupied. So area of base into height is the volume. So if you want to find volume of any solid, so volume of cube. So volume of cube is nothing but area of base into height. So area of base is L square and height is L. So volume is equals to L cube. So volume of a cube, and you know the unit of area is centimeter square. Unit of area unit of area is centimeter square or we can say meter square. But unit of volume is equals to centimeter cube or meter cube. Have you got it? So unit of volume is cube, cubic centimeter, cubic meter, centimeter square, okay, and meter square. So we got here about the cube. Clear? Now we'll find cuboid. And one more thing, length of total edge. How many edge it has? This is called edge. This is called edge. This is also edge. This is also edge. This is also edge. How many edge it has? It has 12 equal edge. And length of one edge is L. So total, we can say, total length of all edges. So it has 12 edges and length of one edge is L. So that is equals to 12L. So total length of all edges is 12L. Clear? So now this we have discussed. Now we'll discuss about cuboid. Have you seen cuboid? Cuboid, see, we'll discuss cuboid. Now what is cuboid? Have you seen cuboid? Your textbook is a cuboid. The top of your table is a cuboid. See, this is cuboid. This is cuboid. See. Have you seen cuboid? This is cuboid. So cuboid has how many faces? It has 6 faces. This is cuboid. It has 6 faces. See, this is one face. This is second face. Third face, this is 4 face, 5, and this is 6. So cuboid has 6 faces. Okay. Now see, if I talk about this, so this is called length of a cuboid, L, length, and this is breadth of a cuboid, B. This is breadth, and this is called height of a cuboid. See, this is called height of a cuboid. This is height. This is height of a cuboid. Height. This is height. What about this? This is length. So this is length. This is length. This is height. This is length. This is breadth. Okay. What about this? So this is breadth. This is breadth, and this is height. So this is called cuboid. Have you got it? What is cuboid? Have you seen? Textbook. Your textbook is a cuboid. This is also a cuboid. So cuboid has 6 faces, and all these 6 faces are not congruent faces. See, this is rectangular face. This one face. These 2 faces are congruent. See, so we can say opposite faces are congruent. These 2 are opposite faces. They are congruent. See, this and this is also opposite face. Here they are congruent. Then we can say this face, and this face is congruent. So cuboid has altogether how many faces? It has 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. Opposite faces are congruent. So we can say here about cuboid. So this is about cube. Now we'll discuss about cuboid. So now we'll discuss cuboid. 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 If you want to draw the diagram, we can draw diagram also of cuboid. So this is one face of cuboid. Clear? Then see, in this way we will draw cuboid. Clear? This is cuboid. Cuboid. So this cuboid has length, breadth and height, 6 face. So this is length. So this is length, this is breadth, and this we can say height. Height of a cuboid. This is height. This is height. So this is height, h. H. Length, breadth and height. So here length, breadth and height. Okay. So now if you want to find cuboid, so we'll talk about cuboid. It has 6 face. It has 6 rectangular face. Some face may be square also. So we can say it has 6 face. It has 6 faces and opposite faces are congruent. 6 face and opposite faces. Opposite faces are congruent. Clear? Have you got this? So it has altogether 6 face. See, it has altogether 6 face here. It has 6 face. This face top and this bottom are congruent. These two face are congruent and these two face are congruent. Clear or not? So it has 6 face and opposite faces are congruent. Clear? And it has 12 edges. It has 12 not equal. Edges are not equal. It has 12 edges and 8 corners. 12 edges and 8 corners. Clear? Now see, if we talk about the length, see this is length, this is length, this is length, 1 length, 2 length, 3 length, 4 length. So how many length it has? This is also length, this is length. Clear or not? See, this is 1 length. Okay, 1. This is 2. Clear? This is 3. This is 4. So it has 4 lengths. And breadth 1, 2. Similarly, this 3, this 4. So it has 4 breadth. This is also breadth. Clear or not? This is breadth. And this is length. Length. So length, length. Length, length. 4 length. 1, 2, 3, 4 breadth. And height. So 1 height, 2, this 3 and this 4. So it has 4 height. So 4 length, 4 breadth and 4 height. So 12 edges. Now length of all edges. Length of all edges. So length of all edges means it has 4 length plus 4 breadth plus 4 height. So we can say length of all edges is equal to 4 common L plus B plus H. So this is length of all edges. Now we will find total surface area. Total surface area of cuboid. See, total surface area of cuboid. So first we will find area of this face. So this is rectangle. So you know what is the area of rectangle. So area of rectangle, you know this rectangle area is length into breadth. So area of this face is length into breadth. Area of this opposite face is also length into breadth. Length into breadth. Clear? This is breadth. This is breadth. So length into breadth. This is also length into breadth. So we can say area of these two face, top and bottom. Area of two face, top and bottom is nothing. This is top. So area of top is length and length into breadth. And this also length into breadth. So 2 times length into breadth I can say area of this two face. One face is LB. It is rectangular face. So area is length into breadth. Here also length into breadth. So 2LB. So 2LB. This is area of two face, top and bottom. Now we'll come here. See. LB. Now area of this face. What is this? See, this is breadth. This is breadth. This is breadth. So this is also breadth. This is also breadth. This is breadth. So breadth into height. Here also we will get breadth into height. Why? Because these two are congruent face. So 2BH plus 2BH plus. So 2 face, 2 face, 4 face. Again, this face is left. Area of this face. So what is this? This is length. This is length. So this is also length. The area of this face is, this is rectangular face. Rectangular face. So area of this face is length into height. Length into height. So this also length into height. Why? Because these two are congruent face. So area of this face is length into height. So area of this face is also length into height. So plus 2LH. See how to remember. Have you got it, friends? Altogether there are 6 face. Altogether there are 6 face. Clear? So area of this face will be length into breadth. Length into breadth. So here also length into breadth. So 2 LB, 2 face. Then you know that this is breadth, this is height. So this face is BH. This face also BH. So 2 BH. Then comes this LH, LH, length of LH. So this also LH. So 2 LH. So 2 LB, BH, HL. Clear? This is the total surface area. And if you want to take common, you can take common, 2 common. So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. This is the total surface area. So total surface area of a cuboid means area of all 6 faces. Area of 2 faces length into breadth, remaining 2 faces breadth into height, remaining 2 faces length into height. LB, BH, HL. Clear? This is the total surface area. Now we have to talk about lateral surface area of cuboid. Lateral surface area means area of all face, 4 face, lateral face. See, this is called lateral face. 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. That is except this top and bottom. Except top and bottom, area of this face. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, this is lateral face. I will explain you. This is lateral face. See, this is lateral face. This one face, this 2 face, this 3rd face, this 4 face. These 4 face are called lateral face, except this top and except bottom. So we have to just remove area of top and area of bottom. That is L into B and L into B. So 2 LB you have to remove. This 2 LB you have to remove. Clear? So area of this top and bottom, that we will remove. So lateral surface area means this we will remove, top and bottom, area of top and bottom. So that is 2 BH plus 2 LH. So just I will take this 2 common. And what is common? H common. Okay, see, this is B. H common. Clear? So 2H common I will take. So what is left here? B plus L. So I can write this way. 2 into B plus L. I can write L plus B into height. 2 into L plus B into height. So lateral surface area of a cuboid is area of 4 face except top and bottom. So top and bottom means length into breadth. See this top, area of top. So area of top is length into breadth. Okay, bottom is also length into breadth. So you remove this 2 LB. So you have to consider this 4 face. So 2BH plus 2LH, 2 common, H common. So B plus L. So 2 into L plus B into H. Now okay, if I do this base, see this is the base of a cuboid. This is the base of a cuboid. So this is what length, this is breadth, this is length, this is breadth. You know that. Rectangle. This base is a rectangle. Clear or not? Length, breadth. This is also length, this is also breadth. See, this is rectangle. 2 length, sorry, this is length. And this is breadth. This is breadth. So 2 breadth, 2 length. Clear? Length, length, breadth, breadth. So if you want to find perimeter, perimeter means sum of all 4 sides. So 2 length we have. So that is 2 length plus 2 breadth we have. So 2 breadth. If you take 2 common, so what you will get? L plus B. So 2 into L plus B is the perimeter of base. So here you see 2 into L plus B into height. So 2 into L plus B is what? Perimeter of base into height. So we can write this formula as lateral surface area is equals to perimeter of base. Perimeter of base into height. So lateral surface area of a cuboid is nothing but perimeter of base into height, this height. Perimeter of base into height. So perimeter of base is 2 into L plus B into height. So it will be very easy for you to remember the formula. What is lateral surface area of a cuboid? So lateral surface area of a cuboid is perimeter of base into height. This is base. So perimeter you know 2 length plus 2 breadth. 2 length plus 2 breadth. 2 common L plus B. So 2 into L plus B is perimeter of base and H is height. That is called lateral surface area of a cuboid. Clear? Now volume of a cuboid. So volume of cuboid. So I told you volume of any solid. See, we have discussed volume of cube also. So volume of cube is nothing. Volume of cube, area of base into height. See, just to imagine friends, your room is cuboidal shape, and if you want to fill your room with water, so first you will add the water, so water will occupy this space. What is this space? This space water will occupy, so this is nothing but area of base, and you will fill water up to what height? That will be the volume of water. Clear? Height. If you will completely fill the room with water, so you have to consider the height of a room. So volume is nothing, area of base into height. So volume of cuboid is area of base into height. So now here what will be the area of this base? This is length and breadth. So we can say LB, that is L into B is this area. Length into breadth is the area. So L into B into height H. So LBH. So volume of cuboid is LBH. So what in short you have to remember, when I talk about total surface area of a cuboid, you have to consider area of all 6 faces. An area of 2 faces, top and bottom is LB. An area of remaining 4 faces, that is 2BH plus 2LH, 2 common. So LB plus BH plus HL. Very easy to remember. Don't mug up the formula. Try to understand, when I say total surface area of a cuboid, you have to consider area of all 6 faces. And you know area of all 6 faces. So first face, this top is LB, this also LB, so 2LB, 2BH, 2BH, this 2BH, okay, BH is area of one face, and this face also BH, so BH plus BH, 2BH, and 2HL, so 2LB, 2BH, 2LH, 2 common, so you got total surface area. And when I talk about lateral surface area, means you have to find area of this 4 face, this 4 lateral face, this, except top and bottom, so you will remove this 2LB. So we will consider this 2, that is 2BH plus 2LH, 2 common, H common, so B plus L, so 2 into L plus B into H. What do you mean by 2 into L plus B? 2 length plus 2 breadth, that is perimeter. 2L plus 2B, that is 2 common, L plus B, so that is perimeter of base into height. So when I say lateral surface area, you have to say perimeter of base into height. When I say volume, you have to say area of base into height. Clear? Here perimeter of base into height. Here area of base into height. So then volume, area. Why area? Volume means if you fill with water, water will occupy all this space. That is area into height. So area of base into height. Here perimeter of base into height. Clear? I hope you understood this cube and cuboid. Clear? So this is very important aspect. So you have to consider this cube and cuboid. Clear? Cube and cuboid. Here in case of lateral surface area also we can say, see, area of base into height. Why? This is square. So what will be the area? Perimeter. So here perimeter is length plus length plus length plus length. All are equal in case of square. So we can say perimeter is 4L. Perimeter is 4L. So this 4L square I can write this way. 4L square is equals to 4L. That is perimeter into height. Why? Because height of a cube is L. Height of this cube is L. Why? Because it is square. So 4L into L. So what do you mean by this 4L? 4L is nothing but perimeter. So I can say perimeter of base into L. L is nothing but height. So lateral surface area of a cube is also perimeter of base into height. And cube means square. So perimeter is 4L into height is L. So 4L into L. That is 4L square. So in both the case, cube and cuboid, lateral surface area of a cube means, or cuboid means perimeter of base into height, and volume means area of base into height. Okay, in both the case. So it will be very easy for you to remember two formula, that is lateral surface area and volume. Have you got it, friends? So lateral surface area of cube or cuboid, perimeter of base into height. In case of perimeter, in case of cube, it is a square, so perimeter will be 4L and height is L, so it will be 4L square. Or in short, you can say, in case of cube, area of 4 face, area of one face is L square, so 4 face is 4L square. And volume, I told you, area of base into height, area of base is L square, height is L, so you will get L cube. So moral of the story is, when I tell you what will be the lateral surface area of cube and cuboid, you have to say perimeter of base into height. And when I say volume of cube and cuboid, so you have to say area of base into height. Clear? I hope you understood this very well. So just I have discussed the formula of cube and cuboid. Okay. Tomorrow we will do the exercise. Okay. So this is cube, this is cuboid. So thank you very much.